Here on the Chobe River, a couple of hippos are feeding in the shallows, surrounded by a lively gathering of egrets, storks and herons. Some birds forage along the water's edge, while others perch confidently on the backs of the hippos. As the hippos move and stir the riverbed, they flush out insects, small fish and other prey, creating easy feeding opportunities for the birds. But there's more to this partnership. The birds also feed on the parasites, ticks and dead skin on the hippos, whereas the hippos offer the birds a safe vantage point above the water, keeping them clear of crocodiles and giving them a better view to spot their next meal. It's a remarkable example of how wildlife in Chobe works together, each species benefiting from the habits of another, all woven into the natural rhythm of the river.